Papaya's hidden health powers. You'll never look at it the same way. Welcome back to Vital Signs. If you think papaya is just another sweet tropical fruit, get ready to be surprised. This underrated powerhouse is packed with hidden health benefits that could transform the way you see food. From boosting digestion and reducing inflammation to improving skin and supporting heart health, papaya is a natural remedy most people overlook. But that's not all. Stay tuned until the end, because we're uncovering an even bigger secret: papaya seeds, the hidden superfood no one talks about. You won't believe what these tiny black seeds can do for your gut, liver, and even parasite protection. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of papaya, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a health breakthrough. Let's get started. Why papaya's true power is overlooked. Papaya is that bright tropical fruit you see at the grocery store, but probably walk past without a second thought. Sure, you know it's sweet, maybe even packed with vitamins, but did you know it has some shocking health benefits? Benefits that could rival even some of the most expensive superfoods? This fruit goes beyond just being delicious. It supports digestion, immunity, skin health, and even disease prevention. Yet most people ignore it or think of it as just another fruit. What if I told you that papaya is a natural medicine cabinet in disguise? Stick with us, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at papaya the same way again. Nature's digestive enzyme powerhouse. Ever feel bloated or sluggish after a meal? Papaya could be the answer. This fruit contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins, making digestion easier. That means less bloating, better gut health, and improved nutrient absorption. Papain is so effective that it's actually used as a natural meat tenderizer. If it can break down tough meat fibers, imagine how it helps your digestive system process food more efficiently. People dealing with indigestion, acid reflux, or irritable bowel syndrome could benefit from adding papaya to their diet. And the benefits don't stop there. Papaya is high in fiber, which keeps your gut healthy and digestion smooth. If constipation is a frequent problem, eating papaya regularly could be the natural solution you've been looking for. Beyond fiber and enzymes, papaya also contains prebiotics, which help nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. By incorporating papaya into your diet, you're not just easing digestion, you're creating a healthier environment for your entire body to thrive. Say goodbye to inflammation and pain. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of disease, linked to conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Here's where papaya shines again. With its powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, papaya naturally helps reduce inflammation. The combination of papain, vitamin C, and flavonoids works together to lower inflammation levels in the body. This makes papaya an excellent natural remedy for joint pain, muscle soreness, and post-workout recovery. Papaya leaf extract has even been studied for its ability to increase platelet counts and help ease symptoms of dengue fever. Though research is still ongoing, these findings highlight just how powerful papaya really is. The ultimate skin superfood. Looking for a natural glow-up? Papaya is loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin C, two nutrients essential for collagen production. Collagen keeps skin firm, smooth, and youthful, while antioxidants fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and dark spots. Beyond that, papaya's natural enzymes act as a gentle exfoliant. Applying mashed papaya directly to the skin helps remove dead cells, unclog pores, and reduce acne. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, using a papaya mask once a week could work wonders. In addition to its skin rejuvenating effects, papaya is also a natural hydrator. The high water content of the fruit helps maintain skin moisture, preventing dryness and irritation. Combined with its rich supply of vitamin E and other skin protective nutrients, papaya works to keep your skin looking fresh, plump, and radiant. Whether eaten or applied topically, this fruit offers a dual-action approach to beauty from the inside out. Boost your immune system naturally. With viruses and illnesses everywhere, keeping your immune system strong is more important than ever. Papaya is a vitamin powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate, which all play key roles in strengthening your body's defense system. Just 1 cup of papaya gives you more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs, even more than oranges. This vitamin boosts white blood cell production, helping your body fight infections and stay healthy all year long. If you tend to get sick often, eating papaya regularly could be a game changer. Beyond vitamins, papaya contains unique plant compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids, which have been shown to enhance immune function and reduce oxidative stress. These compounds work together to strengthen the body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off infections and recover from illnesses more quickly. Regularly consuming papaya may also help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu-like symptoms, keeping you healthier throughout the year. Natural blood sugar regulator. Diabetes is on the rise, but did you know papaya might help? Research suggests that papaya can help regulate blood sugar levels. It's naturally low in sugar and high in fiber, making it ideal for preventing blood sugar spikes and improving insulin sensitivity. Even more interesting, papaya leaf extract has been studied for its potential to protect insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. While more research is needed, the results so far are promising. Additionally, papaya is packed with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids, which may help reduce oxidative stress in the pancreas. Oxidative damage is a significant factor in insulin resistance in type 2 diabetes progression. By lowering oxidative stress, papaya supports better metabolic function and promotes long-term blood sugar stability, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to maintain balanced glucose levels. Supports heart health like no other. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death worldwide, but diet can play a crucial role in prevention. Papaya is loaded with heart-friendly nutrients that keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. Rich in fiber, helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. High in antioxidants, fights oxidative stress, which can damage heart health. Contains potassium, helps regulate blood pressure and support heart function. By adding papaya to your diet, you're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Additionally, papaya contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart protective properties. Studies suggest that lycopene helps reduce arterial plaque buildup and prevents LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, which can contribute to heart disease. This makes papaya an excellent addition to a heart-healthy diet, helping to maintain optimal blood circulation and reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks over time. Thanks for staying with us this far. We appreciate your time and hope you're finding this information valuable. Now here's something you probably never knew about papaya. Papaya seeds, the hidden superfood no one talks about. Most people throw away papaya seeds, but they're packed with incredible health benefits. These tiny seeds are a nutritional goldmine that deserve attention. 1. A natural parasite killer. Papaya seeds contain carpane and benzyl isothiocyanate, compounds known to help eliminate harmful parasites from the digestive system. In some cultures, these seeds have been used as a natural deworming remedy for centuries. 2. Supports liver detoxification. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, but poor diet, alcohol, and pollution can take a toll. Papaya seeds contain powerful compounds that support detoxification and may even help protect against fatty liver disease. 3. Boosts digestive health. Just like the fruit, papaya seeds contain digestive enzymes that help break down food. Their antibacterial properties may also fight harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. 4. May help prevent cancer. Early studies suggest that papaya seeds contain potent antioxidants and phytochemicals that could help slow the growth of certain cancer cells. Though research is ongoing, the findings so far are promising. Beyond these benefits, papaya seeds are also rich in healthy fats that contribute to overall well-being. They contain monounsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to support heart health. Including small amounts of papaya seeds in your diet may help maintain balanced cholesterol levels and promote overall cardiovascular function. How to eat papaya seeds safely. Papaya seeds have a strong, peppery taste, so start small. You can eat them raw, blend them into smoothies, or dry and crush them as a spice substitute. Moderation is key, as consuming too many at once may cause digestive discomfort. Papaya is more than just a sweet tropical fruit. It's a nutritional powerhouse. From improving digestion and boosting immunity to fighting parasites and protecting the liver, this fruit and its seeds deserve a place in your diet. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let us know in the comments. Have you ever eaten papaya seeds before? What health topics do you want us to cover next? Don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another powerful health insight. Thanks for watching Vital Signs. See you in the next video.